Bahala ka, jibat mo.
Good. Yeah, boss. Hey.
Ibang.
Body low. Yes, body low. And then some of the balls you can hit straight. You do not need to defend. So this ball you can stay north like this. Just like how you learn. Good ball. Good ball. Same ball as earlier.
Yung iba mag-ball doon, no? Sa kabila.
Yes, good ball. Good ball. Very good ball. No, no, no. You can hit the ball. It was coming to you. She's a leg spinner. You cannot risk it like this. Good ball. Good enough. Good enough. Learning. Do what you body strength. That's the main thing. Hit it.
Good job.
Good ball.
Nakakabol na si Kara. Cherry, all
Yeah, not
rounder.
straight. The body's not straight. Try to maintain your body straight. Try to maintain your body straight in the ball. Well, everyone look at me once. Look at me how I'm gonna go for the ball. I do not do this, I do not do this. And all I want from you guys is to not do these. Try to maintain low, stay low and stay confident. If you go matches, you can show them you're very lazy. That's not something we should be showing others. So I'm gonna ball, I'm gonna go, for example, you go, look at how it's my body. Did you see? It was all straight. Understand? It is nothing like this or this. You have to remain your straight arm right next to your ears. Stay your body, your head movement should be straight. Okay? Okay, keep going.
Okay na? Okay.
I'm gonna ball to her. I'm gonna ball to her. You go ball to her first. Any other ball? Have three. All these.
Eh, then. Oh, you need the...
Good shot.
Naano niya yung kamay ko dito.
After one ball.
Sorry, wala mo na.
Good ball. Good
Yung
ball.
mga ganun kung
Good
tumama
ball.
ka, pwede mo.
You waiting for it.
Sa ano mo ba yun?
No, it was good enough.
Grabe.
It was near your body. Remember, you are a leg spinner. You have to control the ball. Just straight. Yeah, very smart.
You need aircon.
Don't forget your own body. I'm just telling you how to improve.
Ako wala talaga.
Don't forget how you receive that. Okay? That is all you know. You think the ball should be hit, you can improve it. Impression and instinct. If you think, oh, this is edible, you can hit it. But some of the balls, you know what to do. You don't have to. Very good. Oh, very good. Keep up.
Oy, pwede na siyang mag-ball! Keeper siya eh. Ikaw na daw, keeper. Pwede na siyang mag-ball. Ikaw na daw,
Very
keeper
good.
siya.
Very good, Catherine. That's a very good shot. All I want is these stuff. If it's